Salubrious is an adjective that describes something as healthful, wholesome or conducive to well-being, often used to refer to environments, climates, or lifestyles that promote good health. Origins. The word originates from the Latin salubris, meaning healthy or beneficial, which is derived from salus, health, welfare. It entered the English language. In the 16th century, explanation and usage, salubrious is often employed to describe surroundings or activities that are beneficial to physical or mental health. It carries a positive and sometimes slightly formal tone. Example sentences: the family moved to the countryside, seeking a more salubrious environment for their children. The spa's serene and salubrious atmosphere was perfect for relaxation. Cultural significance. Historically, the term has been used to describe places renowned for their healing properties, such as spa towns or seaside resorts. It is often associated with a preference for nature and clean living. Synonyms: healthy, beneficial to physical or mental well-being; wholesome, promoting moral, mental or physical health; invigorating, energizing or refreshing. Antonyms: unhealthy, detrimental to health or well-being; harmful, causing damage or negative effects; insalubrious, unfavorable or harmful to health. Key takeaway: salubrious describes conditions or choices that foster health and well-being. It is often used to praise clean, refreshing environments or wholesome lifestyles. Subscribe.